This is one of the village here. I call it floating village. Hello. Whoops. Oh no. Meow. Hello. So I met a local guy here in Brunei. Yeah, nice meeting you. We have a canteen in here and nasi katuk is already finished.
You want Melo? Free!
Okay.
Because we want to close.
Oh, okay, you're closing.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Try. Me? You from mana?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah, but
okay.
I live
You
in
must
New
be
Zealand.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now they're giving me some drinks and free.
Yeah. Hello, and Bruna here.
Yeah, thank you very much. And they got some rice and
Nasi pusu.
nasi pusu. And they're closing and they're giving it for me for free. Thank you. Katuk means in the Philippines is crazy. Yeah.
Okay, and Brunei mean katok.
Yeah, katuk also
yeah.
like, yeah, you nut. And at the same time, katuk is
Yeah.
crazy.
I'm inside. When the people want to buy the nasi katok. I want to buy the nasi katok.
Yeah.
Like that lah.
And this tastes good.
Yes, thank you.
Every Friday at 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock is all the shops is closed. So, and they usually come here to have a worship. That's the Sultan King Palace of Brunei. If you want to visit and get inside the palace, you should come here on the first week of June, and it will be about June 6, 7, 8, and 9, and probably you could meet the king or the Sultan of Brunei. I'm here with one of the village. The main transportation of these villages is you have to go by small boat and you have to pay only $1 each.
Ada
There's one crab in there.
Yeah.
Thank you.